Hands behind your back.
Oh, I work at a prison. No.
Stop. Put your hand behind your back.
This woman was clocked doing 78 and a 55 in a decked-out Jeep along a stretch of I-75 in Baldwin County, Georgia. What began as a simple speeding stop quickly shifted gears.
Temporary class A valid, no on.
How you doing? Good. Reason I stopped you, 78 and 55.
No, I'm not going no 78.
I have a deputy that says otherwise. You want a radar check?
Yeah, the folks in front of me, right in front of me, said they moved
Temporary
on
has
93 radar check. You check? You just let it. Oh.
I said, how going 78? The cars is in front of me, right in front of me.
told me I need to do one of that, right?
That's 10-4. Because he got you, he know.
He ain't got me, not everybody right in front of me.
You have your driver?
Everybody was going 78 then.
Well, he's running his radar. He's going to do accuracy check for me. You have a driver's license? Accuracy check.
So where he at?
Down there on 49. You didn't see it when you passed by?
Yeah, I saw it down there. We're going on 78.
Okay. You must didn't know I was coming for you when I turned around.
That's why I pulled over.
I got you. All right, I'll be back. Don't do what?
Bring me back on 2.
And why not?
28 comes back to us.
I'll be back. All right. Because you told me. A citation.
What did it say?
You were speeding. Doing 78 and a 55. Is this your first ticket?
Yeah.
Why you lying?
I ain't lying.
Okay. You looked away when you lied.
I was already
You took one?
You took one, bro. You spaced it up. Alright, so I was gonna give you a warning, but you told me I better not come back. I don't like first of all, I was. You don't know what I would do. I've been giving people warnings all day. Well, you told me I better not do something. So sign here and then sign on the next one.
I don't want to sign. Give me my license.
No, you gotta sign. Sign
I
here.
don't think I was going to say that, so I don't want to sign.
Well, you can argue that in court then. Your court date is January the 1st. Yep.
Well, yeah,
Next year. Alright, well, you don't have to. You can pay the fine. Sign.
I'm not signing.
I'm gonna need for you to sign.
I'm not signing. If I sign my phone,
93, she refusing to sign. To now.
Coming around, Chief.
Can you cut your car off for me? Alright. My lieutenant is on his way, so you can talk to him if you want to. Okay? Say it again? No, you can cut your car off like I said.
It's hot. I'm not going to say hot.
You can roll down your window, but like I said, turn your car off. Turn your car off. I didn't ask that.
Okay, and I told you I'm not coming out.
You can turn your car off like I said.
And I said I'm not.
Okay. On the step out. Step out. Step out the vehicle. No, step out the vehicle. On the step out the vehicle. Like I said. Step out.
I'm gonna talk to the lieutenant.
Step out your vehicle. I gave you order, step out. Okay, don't worry about it.
As the interaction devolved to frustration, supervisory reinforcement made its entrance. Commands were met with commentary, patience was met with provocation, and this roadside exchange was veering straight into full-blown diva territory.
Hey man, I'm Lieutenant Toe, okay? Can you do me a favor and step out and talk to me?
Why I gotta step out and talk to you?
Because I'm asking you to step out the vehicle, okay?
To talk?
Yes ma'am, I need you to step out the vehicle, okay? Can you please step out the vehicle for me?
This is so unnecessary. You gotta step out.
Hands behind back.
939.
Oh, I work at a prison. No.
Stop.
10-10. Got one on. Wrong. You got the other one?
1095.
Clear, 1095.
We'll fix this.
10.
Go.
Clear, 10.
Record by rotation.
Clear, 10.
You got anything on you?
Let me grab onto your phone here and
I got my phone.
go with your phone, man.
You just have intensity down, so.
Watch your foot.
Record by rotation, we'll charge her with obstruction, the speeding. Was it just the speeding you were writing?
Yeah, that was it.
Obstruction and speeding,
Okay.
and record by rotation for this. I can work on you. If you want to start working on a booking sheet, I can start working on it.
All right.
The driver was taken to the Baldwin County Jail and charged with obstruction of an officer, misdemeanor, speeding, 78 and a 55, window tint violation, 1% tint. What do you think? Did officers show enough restraint, or would you have handled it differently once the sass kicked in? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video, and as always, stay safe out there.